My name is Teresa, and I'm going to talk about my stroke. My stroke happened on March 24th, 2018. I had a carotid artery dissection, which means that the artery tore, and it was on the right side of my neck. And when it tore, it caused my blood to clot, and because it clotted, it caused my stroke. It's been a year and 4 months since my stroke. I was affected on the left side since it happened on the right side of my brain. I was not able to move or lift my arm, move my fingers, open my hand. It clenched. My leg was affected, so walking unassisted, I was not able to do that until 4 months after I had the stroke. And with all the rehabilitation I had, I've been using the music glove, and the music glove has helped my hand recovery. It does not clench like it used to. It stays open. I can move my fingers. I can hold things. I can do a lot of things that I used to do before I had the stroke after using the music glove. I would recommend the music glove to anybody who's wanting to help with their hand and get their hand moving again. The more you use it, the better off your hand is. It's been very useful for me. That's my stroke story. Thank you.